Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to show you an amazing new feature in Canva that can save you tons of editing time. We're going to learn how to remove the background from any video in just one click using Canva's BG Remover. Whether you're making YouTube content, social media clips, or just want to have some fun with your edits, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your videos a clean, professional look without needing advanced software. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design canvas open and ready to go. If you're new to Canva, the canvas is just the space where you create and edit your projects. Think of it like your digital workspace. Now we want to add a video that we'd like to remove the background from, so let's head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you can search through Canva's massive library of videos and graphics. For this example, let's say you want a video with a person in it, maybe for a profile intro or a quick social post. Just type something like person or walking into the search bar and you'll see a ton of video options pop up. Once you find a video you like, simply click it and it'll drop right onto your canvas. You can resize or position it however you want. Don't worry, you can always adjust this later. Now here where the magic happens. With the video selected, look up in the menu right about where you see options like Edit Video. You'll notice a button called BG Remover. That stands for Background Remover, and yes, it works exactly like it sounds. Click on BG Remover and give Canva just a moment to process. You'll see a little loading animation, so don't worry if it takes a few seconds. It's actually analyzing your video frame by frame and removing everything behind the main subject, leaving you with a super clean, isolated look. Now a quick heads up, the BG Remover isn't always 100% perfect, especially with videos that have busy backgrounds or lots of movement. Sometimes you might see little bits that didn't get fully removed or edges that aren't completely sharp, but for most cases, and especially for social media content, it definitely gets the job done and it does it fast. If you need absolutely professional, pixel-perfect results, you might need to fine-tune things in another app, but for most everyday projects, this is all you'll need. One important thing to note, though, the BG Remover tool is only available for Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version, you'll see the option grayed out or a little Pro badge. Canva Pro does come with a free trial, so if you just want to try this feature once or twice, you can absolutely use the trial period. Once the background is removed and you're happy with how your video looks, you're just a couple steps away from finishing up. You can add any background you like behind your subject, maybe a cool color, a different video, or a branded image. Play around a bit until you get the look you're after. Then when you're ready, go up to the share button in the top right corner, select download, and pick your preferred video format. That's it. Your video will download with the background removed, ready to share wherever you like. And there you have it. Removing video backgrounds in Canva is as simple as one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions or want to see more Canva tricks? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, game-changing tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.